everyone, welcome back to Jades Arts Academy channel. It is my pleasure to see you all here. Thank you very much for coming, and we hope that you enjoyed all the last year's videos that we put out, and this year we're hoping to bring out even more videos that will be of great benefit to you. So getting started, today I'm going to show you how to add a poster to your video using HTML. Now, posters are signs or images that have details or information that can be of use to your clients. An example is the one that is in the screen. As you can see on the screen, the links. It's an image that I downloaded and I attached it to the image. So the main purpose of this is for the client to see it and want to know more about the video. It's more like a thumbnail that is used in YouTube, but this one you can add it to your website, not on YouTube. So I'm going to show you how you can add a poster, or you could call it a thumbnail, to your website so that your client sees a brief overview just by looking at the image and then click on the video to see what the information is all about. So watch to the end and learn how to do that using HTML. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do right now is to download an image and also download a video. Once you download them, make sure that you put them in a folder and create an HTML and make sure that it's also in the same folder. Here is an example. All the whole images and video, they have to be in the same folder. This is the only way that it will work. If you copy it, it won't work. Like I've said, do not copy, please move it to the folder in which your HTML file is in. Once you've downloaded the image that you want to use and the video that you are intending to use, you can go over here and then type in video source, and the source will write the name of the video from here. I intend to use this one, YouTube intro, so we add it, YouTube intro, and please make sure that there is no error. You can also decide to copy it by right clicking and checking the properties. You just copy and paste it, and while you copy and paste it, you can also check the type of file it is. Some video files, they are in the WebM, that is the screen recording, so you need to write the right kind of file that it is in the video source. When you write the right kind, it will be able to load properly. So right now it is .mp4, which is the format for most video that we have around. So mp4, and then or add it poster. That is what we are going to add. Then in this poster is where we're going to write the name of our image, and I intend to use this one, link to. Okay, link to. Like I said, we'll right click it, check the properties to know the kind of file it is, because images have a lot different kinds of files. So this one has .jpeg. So I'm going to write it, link to, okay, there was space, link to .jpeg. If yours happens to be PNG, you add it .png. If it happens to be .jpg, you add it, and then we'll add controls so that it will be user friendly. Although this is a personal choice, it depends on the project you're working on, but in most cases it's best to add the controls so as not to make it be irritable. because without the controls, the person might find it hard to know where to click and where not to click. So this is the source code to adding a poster to your video using HTML, or in this case you could call it a thumbnail. The video source, the poster, and you can add the controls. So I'm going to save this and then we'll refresh, and there, you see it? This image has become a poster, more like a thumbnail, but it's in your website and not on YouTube this time around. So when we play it, it comes big. Okay, as it's big, there may be, it's great to see that we've been able to make a poster of it, but let's see how we can change the name of the link of the image. I can add another one like the link itself for you to see that it's not just one image that can work. You can use different kinds of images using different kinds of videos, and yes, the link is also in JPEG, so I've already checked it and that's why I'm using it. So when I refresh it, it's like this. So you see there. So when we play it, it's so huge. Okay, so there. Now you've seen how to add a poster to your website, and it's a very effective way. You can use it for a blog website, a restaurant website, whichever website it is, even a gym website. Like advantages of learning this and that, you can show it. So there, you've seen it. But when we were playing it, you saw that it became kind of huge. The image took up most of the space. Don't worry, in the next video I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to this. But for now, you've learned one basic thing, that is how to add a poster. And the source code is video source. You write the name of the video. The poster, you write the name of the poster. You add controls, although it's not everyone, but it's really nice to add it. It's user friendly to add the controls. Without the controls, there will be nothing for the person to click, and person might get really upset. So there, you've learned a lot, and like I promised, in the next video I'm going to show you how to make some adjustments to the size so it doesn't take most of the page in your website. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.